2000 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 liter. What we done on it for you guys today is still got all the stock converters. One right there, one big one. Then we whited it out and straight piped it with 3-inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes, and then 3.5-inch tips. One here, one here. This is how you get them dualed out, boys and girls. There's the white pipe on it. This is how when it's done right. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. That's what we like to hear. Sounds like a beast. Now I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.